Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the currency within the Cash App application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Cash App application on your device, and if you haven't yet logged into your account, you will be asked to use your phone number or your email address. If you're already logged in, you might be asked to enter your Cash App PIN or your biometric. After entering either one of these, you will gain access into your account, and from this page you can directly request a payment or make a payment by tapping on the options at the bottom section. Now, as you can see, the total amount of funds that you have in your account will be displayed right at the home page, and the default currency, which is the US dollar, will be used for it. If you wish to change the currency that is displayed within your account, you can simply tap on the drop down button underneath your total funds which says USD. You can then choose from Bitcoin or US dollars, and once you tap on Bitcoin, you can proceed through the Get Started button to start buying your Bitcoin, and once you have acquired a few of these Bitcoins, you can tap on the Bitcoin option and all of your funds will be shown in the other currency, which is the Bitcoin crypto. And there you have it. That is how you can change your currency on the Cash App application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.